when used as the main verbs in the sentences am, is, and are, tell us about the state of being of the subject. They are the present tense forms of the verb be. We shall learn them now. They are also used as helping verbs with ing form, present participle of the main verb in the present continuous tense, and with the verb's third form, past participle, in the passive voice. We shall learn them later. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. I am a girl. We are girls. You are a boy. You are boys. He is a man. They are men. She is a woman. They are women. It is an animal. They are animals. Am is used with I. Is used with he, she, it. Are is used with you, we, they. Fill in the blanks with am, is, are. He is a tall boy. We are from Hyderabad. It is an insect. They are doctors. You are a teacher. Anju and Raju are good friends. I am 6 years old. It is very hot today. There are 7 days in a week. We are in the classroom. Select the right word and fill in the blanks. The given words are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. We are in class 1. He is a student. It is a snake. I am a singer. It is 6 o'clock. It is my pet dog. They are in the school. She is my mother. They are my parents. You are a good girl. Use am not, is not, are not to fill in the blanks. I am a small girl. I am not a big girl. We are from India. We are not from London. You are short. You are not tall. He is awake. He is not asleep. The boy is fat. The boy is not thin. He is my uncle. He is not my father.
She is a singer. She is not a dancer.
The car is new. It is not old. Make questions for the answers given. Choose from the words given in the box. The words given in the box are: is he, are you, are they, is she, and is it. Is she your mother? Yes, she is my mother. Is he your brother? Yes, he is my brother. Are they your books? Yes, they are my books. Is it cold today? Yes, it is cold today. The words given in the box are: am I, is he, are you, are we, and is she. Is she here? Yes, she is here. Are we late for the show? Yes, we are late for the show. Am I a good girl? Yes, you are a good girl. Are you coming? Yes, I am coming. Use isn't, aren't to fill in the blanks. Is Lucy a doctor? No, she isn't a doctor. She is a nurse. Are they eggs? No, they aren't. They are apples.
Is he an old man? No, he isn't. He is a boy. Is this a cat? No, it isn't. This is a dog.
Are they parrots? No, they aren't. They are crows. Are they oranges? No, they aren't. They are balls. Is this a blue bag? No, it isn't. It is a red bag. Are they fruits? No, they aren't. They are vegetables. Is this a horse? No, it isn't. It is a goat. Are the leaves yellow? No, they aren't. They are green. Fill in the blanks with is, are. This is Shankar. He is 10 years old. He is in class 5. His brother is in class 1. His name is Shiva. Shiva and Shankar are good children. Their teachers are fond of them. The principal is happy with them. Their parents are proud of them. Put right or wrong sign against each sentence below. Shankar and Shiva are brothers. Right. Shankar is in class 1. Wrong. The teachers like them. Right. Shiva is in class 5. Wrong. Shankar is 10 years old. Right. Imagine you are Tony. Fill in the blanks with is or are, showing parts of your body. I am Tony. This is my hair. It is black. These are my eyes. These are my eyebrows. This is my nose. These are my ears.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.